All right, here we go. We're going to do team draw. 5 boxes of Prizm Basketball Jumbo. 2-team random. And roll the dice, see how many times we hit the randomizer. It's a 1. We don't do ones. So we roll again and add it on top. We don't do 2s. So we roll again and add it on top. Hey, 6 times. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 4. I mean, 1, 1, and 4. So 6 times on the randomizer. Good luck. We got all names on the left. AZ Kid on the top. Gem Mint 1 of 1 at the bottom. I'm gonna do that. Oh, my keyboard's gonna act stupid now. Oh, there it is. Oops. Alright, 6 times. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. I hate wireless technology. Alright, here we go. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Gem Mint 1 of 1 on the top. Zon 27 at the bottom. You weren't here. This thing took forever to fill. Alright, on to the teams. All teams in. Everybody gets 2 teams except for Rocket Fan 86. Grizzlies on the top, Bucks at the bottom. Excuse. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time coming. Boy, and I swear to you, good luck, everybody. 6. The 76ers on the top. The Pistons at the bottom. Sixers and Pistons. Everybody else in between, listen up. Here go your teams. Let's get you the team. What the hell is wrong with this mouse today? Alright, Gem Mint 101, the Sixers. Jackpot 54, the Celtics. Gem Mint, the Nuggets. KJR Corn, the Bucks. William Freeman, the T-Wolves. El Barto, the Pacers. AZ Kid, the Thunder. KJR Corn, the Hawks. El Barto, the Kings. AZ Kid, the Lakers. Webb Jr., the Grizzlies. Jupin, the Clippers. Webb Jr., the Raptors. William Freeman, the Heat. Zon, the Rockets. KJR Corn, the Blazers. Gem Mint, the Knicks. Jackpot, the Wizards. Jupin, the Pelicans. William Freeman, the Warriors. Chris Haas, the Mavericks. Gem Mint, the Spurs. William Freeman, the Hornets. Rocket Fat 86, the Bulls. So fucking awesome, the Suns. Chris Haas, the Magic. Gem Mint, the Jazz. So fucking awesome, the Cavs. Gem Mint, the Nets. And Zon, the Pistons. Good luck, everyone.